Did you know that one of the most iconic protests in American history involved a lot of tea? Welcome to the story of the Boston Tea Party. In the 1770s, Boston was a hotbed of revolutionary activity. The British government imposed heavy taxes on the American colonies, and the colonists were not happy about it. Tensions reached a boiling point when the British enacted the Tea Act, which allowed the East India Company to sell tea directly to the colonies, bypassing colonial merchants. On the night of 16th of December 1773, a group of colonists disguised as Native Americans and boarded three British ships in Boston Harbor. They dumped 342 chests of tea into the water, protesting the unfair taxes. The Boston Tea Party escalated tensions between the British and the American colonies, leading to the American Revolution. It was a pivotal moment in history that showed the power of collective action. And that's the story of the Boston Tea Party, a small act of defiance that sparked a revolution. What historical event would you like to learn about next?